So, hello guys, we are
Hi.
here in FonoBeats. We are in Tokyo now, interviewing our guest today is Taroufornever. Hello Taro.
Hi, nice to meet you, everybody. I'm Taro
He's
from Japan. Yeah.
Tokyo, Japan. So, first interview ever. We want to ask him some questions about his music and his career. So, Taro, I would
Hey.
like to ask you, which one was your first contact with music?
With music,
Yeah.
I don't remember, to be honest, because since I was born, I think I listened to a lot of music.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if I pay attention or not. Just music from everywhere. So,
You had classes when you were a kid?
kind of, but not really. Not really like what do you say?
Professional?
Yeah, professional? No, I didn't.
And how was you began to get interest in music and electronic music?
I started to play the bass guitar in a band when I was a high school student. So that's when I started music. And I think after that, when I became a university student, I started to make music on the computer, like GarageBand, like free software, and it was so fun. And yeah, I think that's the beginning.
So, and which one was your first influences in your music?
First influences.
Yeah, your first
I think
artist.
most of J-pops, like Asian Kung Fu Generation or Bump of Chicken. Yeah, that's kind of J-pop, J-rock. So I got so much inspiration from Japanese pop music.
I understand.
Yeah.
And now you live in Tokyo, right? You live in Tokyo
Yeah,
for
yeah.
almost all your life here.
Yeah.
And I want to know what it is like to live in Tokyo. Is this city inspire you for your music in a way?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I can do anything that I want to do. And I can listen to music that I love, like house, techno, tech house.
It's
So-
all part of Tokyo.
I mean, yeah, in Tokyo, like every weekend, there's so many parties around.
And you can get that feeling when you go to the studio and you try to replicate that feeling that you have when you go out
Yeah,
In a
kind of. Yeah.
Tokyo night.
Yeah.
And when you are creating music, you like to give some kind of vibe, some kind of feeling, specific feeling, or it's just experimentation? What would you define
Defined. What do
your
you mean?
music? How would you your purpose
Purpose.
when you are creating music? You are thinking on something and a concept, or it's just
yeah.
some feeling?
I usually set the like concept for a song, like every song I make. So today it's Thursday, so it's House Thursday for me. So let's make some house music, something like this,
Yes.
or whatever. I feel like.
Yeah. And well, I would like to know, what are your last work? What you're working on something now?
Yeah, I used to work in Tokyo. Like I worked.
I mean, your specific work as an artist. You
As
have a
an
one last
artist.
song. You have a preparing something.
Yeah,
now?
yeah, I have. I made track last week, also 2 weeks ago, about that's a song about wood. I made a song with wood instrument like this. Yeah, anything, whatever, if it's wood,
Yeah.
it's instrument for me. So
Yeah.
I made it. Yeah.
Wow. So Taro, I would like to give you congratulations, and I hope your career keep going.
Thank you.
And welcome to FonoBeats. Hope we will see you soon in Europe.
Yeah, me too.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
ありがとうございます。
ありがとう。